everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing south facing house plan and the plot size is 30 feet 6 inches by 21 feet and it is under 500 square feet build up area home design with overall build up areas of 499 square feet, and this is efficiently designed with the 1 BHK floor plan. And let's get into the plan for detailed room by room Vastu explanation. Our main gate is at south facing, and the main door is placed on the south wall, thoughtfully placed towards the east. And this is an auspicious entry point for south facing homes to welcome positive energy and prosperity. And before that, we have a sit out of size 7 feet by 6 feet 6 inches, and we have an external staircase. The staircase is placed in the southwest corner of the plot, and Vastu dictates that heavy structures like stairs should always be in the south or west to anchor and balance the home's overall energy. So we place our staircase in the southwest zone over here. And this main door is south facing, I already explained. And into the main door, we have an hall cum dining space of size 7 feet 6 inches by 20 feet. We provide sofa location over here. Opposite to that, we have assigned a TV showcase unit. And the hall stretches clearly across the east side of the house. And this placement is excellent in Vastu as it allows natural morning sunlight and to fill the main living space and bringing health and active energy. And we also designed a six-seater dining area over here. And coming to the kitchen location, the kitchen is placed in the northwest corner in Vastu. The northwest is governed by the wind element, is highly recommended and positive direction for cooking spaces. And coming to the master bedroom, it is positioned on the western side of the layout, and having the primary bedroom in the west or southwest to promote stability, strength, and peaceful environment for the head of the family. And the southwest is a Nairuti corner or earth corner. This symbolizes earth and this symbolizes the strength and stability. Also, it is suitable for the head of the family to occupy. So we kept this as the master bedroom. And this master bedroom is featured with size of 8 feet by 8 feet 6 inches with an attached toilet of size 8 feet by 3 feet. And this attached toilet, we have placed our commode pointed towards south. As per Vastu, the commode should be pointed towards south or north, and here we kept towards south. And this master bedroom also, we provide a wardrobe in the west and bed sleeping position in the south. And it increases stability and better sleep for the person to occupy here. Also, the wardrobe kept in the west also promote wealth and prosperity, so we kept the same. And the toilet placement, the attached toilet is located in the west, and Vastu principal advises keeping bathroom on the west or northwest side to properly manage and flush out negative energy. So we kept the same over here. And that's all with the overall plan. You can see the overall plan over here. You can get more such plans on our website, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on Google Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plan Nest and Designers apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Sastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.